that? Aw, kiss sister. Hi. Hi. Where are you going, Claire?
I want to close the door with Stelly.
You want to close the door with Stelly? What is that?
That's Lightning Queen.
Lightning McQueen? Show Stelly your toy.
I can push a button.
Push the button.
You want to watch TV?
But you have to eat yogurt first. You have to eat breakfast first, and then we can watch it. Ah! Look at that pudding face. Look at that pudding face. Boo-boo. Claire, I like your hair. No, 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 not in her eyes. That's going to hurt her eyes. See, look. Where's the light, Stelly? Where's the light? Where's the light? Up. Up.